Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials.
Today I am going to show you how to create vector black and white Guru's texture background in Adobe Illustrator. Go to Windows menu and Brush Libraries and Vector Packs and Guru's Brushes Vector Pack. Select Guru's Brush Vector Pack 6. Paint Brush Tool Shortcut B. Opacity 20%. Draw horizontally. Guru's Brush Vector Pack 7. Guru's Brush Vector Pack 6. Guru's Brush Vector Pack 7. Opacity 50%. Use Guru's Brush Vector Pack 6 and 7. Opacity is 80%. Opacity 100%. Outline color white. R 255, G 255, B 255. Guru's Brush Vector Pack 05. Outline color black. R0, G0, B0. Outline color white. R 255, G 255, B 255. Use Guru's Brush Vector Pack 06. Draw a horizontal box shape. Select all, Ctrl A. Right click and make clipping mask. Finally, your Guru's texture background is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create Guru's texture background design in Adobe Illustrator.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.